Hey guys, welcome again to Fun with Maths. Here's another problem. M plus 49 over M plus 48 is equal to negative 34. 6M plus 247 to the power of 5050 plus 49 over 6M plus 247 whole to the power of 5050 is what? Here's the solution. First, let's focus on this equation. So let's bring down M plus 49 over M plus 48 is equal to negative 34. Next is, we are going to add 48 both sides. So this is now M plus 48 plus 49 over M plus 48 is equal to negative 34 plus 48. Now next, M plus 48 plus 49 over M plus 48 is equal to negative 34 plus 48 is equal to 14. Next is, let U be equal to M plus 48. So to write this is now in replace with M plus 48. That is U plus 49 over U is equal to 14. Next is, let's multiply both sides by U. So U times U, that is U squared. And then U times 49 over U. This is cancelled. So we're left with 49. So plus 49 equals U times 14. That's 14U. Next is, we can take 14U to the other side. So this is now U squared minus 14U plus 49 equals, this side is now equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. To continue, for 49, we can write it into 7 squared. So this is now U squared minus 14U plus 7 squared is equal to 0. And now if you observe, this is an expanded form of an identity A minus B squared, which is also equal to A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. So this is an expanded form. Therefore, U squared minus 14U plus 7 squared, we can write it as U minus 7 whole to the power of 2 as our identity. Then equals, just copy, 0. Next is, we are going to remove this square by inserting a square root both sides. So now this is cancelled. So we're left with U minus 7 is equal to, the square root of 0 is 0. And then we can take negative 7 to the other side. So this is now U is equal to positive 7. So we have the value for U, which is 7. Now earlier, we let U be equal to M plus 48. Now let's replace U into 7 equals M plus 48. Now we can take 48 to the other side. So this is now 7 minus 48 is equal to M. And then 7 minus 48 is equal to negative 41 equals M. Using the commutative property, we can write it as M is equal to negative 41. So we have the value for M, which is negative 41. Now, next step is, we are going to solve this. 6M plus 247 whole to the power of 5050 plus 49 over 6M plus 247 whole to the power of 5050. So let's bring down Let's solve first for this 6m plus 247. So this is equals 6, and then m, we have the value which is negative 41. So 6 times negative 41 plus 247. And this is equals 6 times negative 41, that's negative 246 plus 247. And now they have different sign, negative and positive. So that means we can subtract. So this is equal to 1. Now, since this is equal to 1, which is 6m plus 247, that means we can replace here 1. So this is now 1 to the power of 5,050 plus 49 over 1 to the power of 5,050. And this is equals 1 to the power of 5,050 is just 1 plus 49 over 1 to the power of 5,050 is 1. And this is equals 1 plus 49 divided by 1 is just 49. And this is equal to 1 plus 49 is 50. Therefore, our final answer is 50. Therefore, for this problem, m plus 49 over m plus 48 is equal to negative 34. The value of 6m plus 247 whole to the power of 5,050 plus 49 over 6m plus 247 whole to the power of 5,050 is equal to 50. And that's all for today. For more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun with Maths.